Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI and welcome to my patio. This place has become such a tranquil oasis for me, and one of the things I love is the addition of this set of Flickering Flame solar powered lanterns. What makes these lanterns special is that you can sit them or hang them depending on what your needs are, and the flame is so realistic. I love the way they glow and flicker at night. But even more than that is the fact that they are completely made of plastic. In my experience, I've had things made of metal in my patio and they just don't last. Inevitably, they rust. But these lanterns are entirely made of plastic, but they look like metal. So I'm really excited because I feel they're gonna last much longer outside. I get a lot of rain and a lot of weather, and I don't have to worry about bringing them in, but they can just stay out there, charge in the sunlight, and then glow and flicker at night. If you're looking to add some beauty and interest to your backyard experience, especially in the coming summer months, then I definitely recommend this set of flickering solar-powered lanterns. You can hang them or rest them. They even have a sweet on and off switch. You can actually turn this little dial on or off, and they have plenty of space to catch the sunlight, so they flicker like a realistic flame all through the night. I love the beauty they add to my backyard experience. I highly recommend this set of realistic, plastic, solar-powered, flickering flame lanterns that you can either rest on a surface or hang. They're just adorable. I really love them, and that is my point of view.